how to say, where is the bathroom? To ask whether it's male or female, you say, gdzie jest łazienka? Gdzie jest łazienka? Gdzie jest łazienka? So, let's look at these words separately. Gdzie, 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 jest, jest. The L with that line through it is an accent, so it turns it into a W. So it's łazienka. Łazienka. Gdzie jest łazienka? Again, at full speed, it's gdzie jest łazienka? Go ahead. Ask me where the bathroom is. It's down the hall to the left. Nice job. If you want to ask somebody, may I use your bathroom? You say, mogę skorzystać z łazienki. Mogę skorzystać z łazienki. Let's look at these separately. Mogę, the E with an accent is an L. Mogę skorzystać, stać. A C with a little line accent on top of it is a ch. So it's skorzystać. Z, the L with a line through it turns it into a W. Łazienki. Łazienki. So, mogę skorzystać z łazienki. So at full speed, mogę skorzystać z łazienki? Go ahead, ask me. Why, yes, you may. That was great. So, those are two different ways to ask, where is the bathroom?